Welcome to AICora. In this short demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use AICora to create a real human-like social media manager to help you manage your entire social media, create posts, create content, schedule everything on a natural language level without you having to deal with an application layer where you have to create content, upload content, schedule everything, and do all the stuff manually. So what AICora essentially does, it lets you create an AI person like Abby or Mark or Vegas that can interact with you on SMS, on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on TikTok, on Discord, or on Facebook Messenger, where you can send them messages, instructions on what you want to be done on your social media, what you want to be posted and created on your social media accounts, and the person does it. So let's do this. First, we want to create a client. Let's say we want to create a social media persona, a social media agent, a management agent we want to sell to one of our clients. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and add a client. Now, of course, you can use it for yourself. So this client can be you yourself. So let's say the client is Abby, which is me, and the industry is marketing. And I can upload a picture and I can describe what the client is. This is a personal client. Click next. Now, what I can do is I can train the AI about myself. So I'm going to give it my website URL. So the AI is now more aware of what I am as a person, as an individual, and learn more about myself. So when it creates content, when it schedules content, when it knows what date and time to schedule the content, it will understand on its own. And now I can connect my Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. We're also going to add TikTok as well. Now I can connect all of these and click on complete. Now the client is Azim, which is me, myself, or could be one of your clients. Next step, we're going to go back to the dashboard and click on create new agent. Now I'm going to create an agent, a social media agent. So let's say my agent is called Cora and her expertise again is in marketing. I'm going to select the client, which is me, myself. I can upload a picture for Cora, which will be the display picture on WhatsApp, SMS, Telegram, Discord, Facebook Messenger. And here's a basic prompt that's already created. Now you can customize it to change the language, the tone of response, or whatever. Like I can write reply like a Gen Z. Right? I'm going to click on next. Now again, I can train more information about myself to this agent. Usually I leave this alone and I go ahead and now I can connect my SMS and voice capability. I can connect my WhatsApp, Discord, or Telegram. Now in this demonstration, I'm going to connect my Telegram. So there are instructions right over here that you can follow on how to get your Telegram token. And I'm going to just paste my Telegram token here, click on connect. And as you can see, this is the name of my agent that I can search on Telegram and talk to do my social media management. So I'm going to click on continue, and that is all. Now understand, this is all that is you have to do. It's as simple as that. Now we have something called news over here where you can add multiple sources of different newses, where it will give you more ideas on what kind of content that you can create and post. But what I just showed you is all you have to do. Now, let me mirror my phone and show you how now you can talk to the new agent that we just created called Cora, right? So let me mirror my phone right now. Give me a sec. Now, as you can see, I'm mirroring my phone. I'm going to go and open Telegram and I'm going to search for the name of the bot, which was AICora. So I'm going to click on start chatting. Now, this is Cora in my own personal social media manager. Now I can be like, hey Cora, what can you do for me? And send this. Now, what I can also do is send Cora images and videos and ask it to create images and videos or any sort of social media content and ask it to post it on the social media accounts that I have connected or schedule it to all those social media accounts that I have connected. So let's see, I want to do I want to send it a picture. So for example, I went to a marketing event, and what I want to do, I took a couple of pictures, and I want to post that picture on my Instagram. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to select more pictures, click this. I'm going to add this picture and be like, hey Cora, post this picture with a fun caption on my Facebook. I'm gonna send this. Now this is how you would normally communicate with a social media manager. You know, you send them a regular message and they reply with you with information and everything. Now we've sent this picture to Cora and be like, hey Cora, since you're my social media manager, I'm gonna send you this picture, write a fun caption, and please post it on my social media manager, on my Facebook. And that is what Cora is gonna do if we have connected our Facebook. If we haven't connected our Facebook, it will just ask us to connect our Facebook, and then it can post it. So here's it says, got it, I'll generate a Facebook friendly caption for the image you provided. Please wait a moment while I create a caption trailer for Facebook. So again, it will create specific captions for Facebook, different captions for Instagram, TikTok, whichever platform, because it has that kind of information and it can decide what to create. So here it is. Love it. Here's a fun caption I can use. Checked into sky, cream and gold cocoon, champagne poured, orchids in bloom, movies cute, see you after cloud nine. So what this has done, it went through this entire picture, it understood there's orchids, it saw there's a glass of champagne, it saw there's clouds out there, it saw there's an airplane, and it created a caption that is specific for this picture. And now it's asking which Facebook page or profile it wants us to schedule it. Now, here's another thing that we can do. Hey Cora, can you create a picture of a beautiful sunset and schedule it to post on my Instagram? Now again, you can give specific instruction. You want to post it on Instagram, you want to post it on Instagram stories, you want to post it as a story, as a reel, whatever you want. It's as simple as that. You're having a natural conversation with this social media manager that you have, and it can create content, it can read and understand everything that you've said, and it can do everything for you without you actually having to deal with an application layer. We have to create prompts, we have to create content, we have to edit everything, you have to schedule everything, where you have to manage the calendar. None of that is needed anymore. You're just having a conversation, and the way you're having this conversation for your own social media, you could do the same for your clients. So you could sell a bot that is specifically created. Let's say you create a bot named Jim, and you sell it to a gym owner, and that bot, that social media manager Jim, is going to create content for that specific workout place, that gym, and it will help you publish all those beautiful posts, and that person will have access to this AI social media manager 24/7, so they can just chat with them on Telegram, on WhatsApp, or SMS, whatever platform they want, and you can sell them for like $1,000 for a setup and a $500 monthly fee, because you're actually giving them access to a 24/7 working person. It could be AI, but an AI person that is handling all of their Instagram for them on a natural language conversation based platform. Now here's the image that Cora created for us, and it can publish it for us. It can create captions, time zones, whatever you need, it will do it all for us. Now let's see if we want to create a short video clip that we want to post as a post. Hey Cora, can you create a short 5-second long video about sunset and post it on my Twitter? Now again, as long as you have connected your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, it will actually go out there, position it, and post it for you. Now, based on what Quora learn about you and your business, it will also know which country you're based at, what demographic you're targeting, so it will know what time to schedule it. So you don't have to figure out what time to post to get most engagement. Quora will do it for you. And again, you can also ask Quora to go out there and start engaging. Like you can tell Quora, hey Quora, go out there and reply to all the comments on my Instagram post, or hey Quora, go out there and reply to all the direct messages I received on Facebook and Instagram, and tell them to go buy my course or go buy my service. And that's what Quora is gonna start going out there and start doing it for you. So not only it just manages your social media, not only it creates content for you, not only it understands the content that you've already created, but it also helps you sell and convert the content that you have created and make you more sales, convert those leads, close those clients, get you more sales, make you money. Now, what Quora is doing right now is creating a 5-second long cinematic sunset video with the sun dipping below a sun, calm ocean horizon, simmering waves in a subtle palm silhouette, and a soft dreamy lens flare with a serene white. And he's going to create this video, and then once this video is created, you can tell Quora to go out there and publish this exact video on your Facebook or Instagram or wherever you want. So let's download this video that Quora has created for us real quick and have a quick preview, and then we can tell Quora, hey Quora, can you create a caption for this and post it on my Instagram. Now let's watch this video real quick. Now this video is not just a video, it comes with the audio, and you can actually tell Quora to create audio with specific narrations if you want to do it. Now as you can see, it has created a couple of captions where you got it. I can post it, just need a couple of details. Need a mini reset, 5 seconds of sunset bliss, golden hour. So it's created a couple of captions that you can, and then it's gonna ask you what time you want to post it, and you can just tell it, post it at the best time you think for highest engagement. So again, it's like having a normal conversation with a full-time social media manager, which is what Quora does, which is what AICora does. And again, you can create multiple AI agents, which is social media managers, working 24/7 for you, for your clients, and have them manage all the content, manage their entire social media. You can check all the schedule, you can control all the chat, and you can get inspiration on what new content to create. Again, AICora is an incredible new platform that has been created to bridge the gap between humans and services, which is social media management, and make it so much easier for you to not only manage your social media but also grow your audience, get more engagement, sell to more audience, sell more service, sell more products, but also sell all of this as a bundled agency service to other businesses, other coaches, other consultants, other clients, and help them make more money. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you.